We're gonna be playing Scary Baboon again. Cause I like it to play it a lot.
Why did I drop this? You're not coming with us, Diamond.
Green.
Bro, charging up to go run.
You can have
What?
that. Don't let
I'm gonna go out like an egg farm, bro. I'm not here.
Not kid. Okay, give me the phone back. Bon, Scary.
No,
Play Scary Baboon. And the one who got me in.
Or jump scary. Holly's fat.
Why are you laughing? This is a horror game.
Yeah.
Not a
That's
comedy.
my boy. Die.
Oh, my head.
Not it.
Literally, basically nobody's here.
I'll go.
Shoot, man.
Okay.
Okay.
Because.
Don't open it. No, don't open it.
Let them through.
Damn.
Well, don't say out loud. My boy. He's gonna run us.
Bro.
I'm stuck.
He was stuck. Now he's gone.
Yo, I'm stuck.
You're stuck. Oh
No, I'm
God.
about to bonk
Stay here.
you,
Stay
boy.
here. Don't move. I'm gonna see.
Bonk.
Go run this way. This way.
Oh, yellow's down there.
This way. This way. This way.
Yellow's down
There's
that way.
something there. This way. I hear it.
Bonk. Joy in the world.
Like this old man.
Run,
You're a little mean man.
run. What do we do?
Crab's laughing at everybody.
Go.
This way.
Who's gonna die?
Okay, here. Boxman. Boxman! King of the boxes.
I'm gonna scramble you like an egg before I fold you like an omelet.
They're after me.
I'm
They're
the
after
joy
me.
in the world. Yeah, sorry, I didn't know.
Box.
Yeah, the monster.
Wait, throw a box at them. Throw a box.
Oh no. Guns don't even work. Get weed, bro. Get weed. I'm not giving you. What? Look, he's coming after us because of the war. Go, green. Oh, I'm the thickest sick mom of them all.
Close the door. Get in, Blue. Boo boo.
Close it. Oh my god.
Good, we're good. Keep going.
The nearest monster is the miner.
Go, get through.
Come here. Hey, don't open the doors. Your mother's watch. No. Nearest monster is why.
That scared me because I was in the room.
You're too bad. Green.
Is that potato?
Where are you?
No, I don't want.
Nobody else. Please come look. Stop.
Don't listen.
hate you. Punch. Press the button.
But you don't even have any
He's just not moving.
Yes,
He's not moving. Can I buy something there?
Hello, you give up a
Guys, how do you buy something? Yeah, tell me. I have 0 gold. My beans!
Music man.
It's not like my beans, man. At least he likes my beans. It's all over the Wait, this is hard.
You great. Great. Give me the phone.
Hey.
What? We're so I have that phone right now. Follow me.
I don't even know.
I can see your. Yeah, they're kind of. This is my phone.
I'm a crate. Finally keeps saying miner. Let's see.
Green. I have a question.
Oh yeah, there is a miner. Open the door.
Open the door. Someone open the door. Green. Okay.
Sacrifice yourself for the
Right,
door.
man, I have a question for you.
Yeah, not like me to the door. I said open your. He said. Why do they just
Like
not?
Lou, you're killed.
Right, you can't see me.
We're all dead.
Green. Crate man.
Yeah, I'm crate man.
Yes.
Would you like to see a cool room that we found?
Yeah.
I need somebody else to explore it with me because I'm kind of scared. And the last person that I got chickened out on me.
Okay, we got this. It's a video game, anyways.
I know, it still scares me. It's not helping just really hard. For a moment.
Sorry, it's hard to
Follow me.
move when I'm holding
No,
one
it's down
crate.
this way. It's this way. Green. This way.
Oh man, another crate!
You get why I'm scared now?
Yeah. Let's go.
Oh, money! Oh, just keep moving. Look at this.
Wait, what happens if you get money? What happens if you get money?
And I lost my ball down here, too.
I can't see you. Stop. Can you stop moving? Okay, there you go.
I lost my ball down here, too. It sucked. Only ball.
At least this
I
guy
think
didn't
it's
chicken out.
going.
The other person did, right? The other person chickened out.
Yeah.
Following purple.
I don't think I have car problems.
That was the same place.
Oh, great. Another staircase. Do we go that way? Or, yeah, I think we keep safe.
Okay, follow.
Keep going straight because there's no monsters down here right now. I'm kind of getting jump scared.
Wait, where?
There, but not down
What?
here.
I have a question for you. Do you play this game a lot?
Yes.
Do you just play this game a lot? Because what are you supposed to do with the diamonds?
I don't know. I haven't figured that out yet.
I thought there were money, so like you could get something with it, maybe.
Just know if we get if a monster comes out of nowhere, it's gonna be a longer run back.
Okay. Are you sure this is the right way? Because
I
we
think
can
you
run.
can go. I think right.
It's black. We can't go anymore.
What if we take a right from here? Like, go down here. Let's see what's
I'm
down.
lagging.
I know, I'm lagging too. I see something blue right here.
Yeah, I see blue. Oh, you're there.
Okay, I might quit the game.
It's not working. There's nothing. We better find something.
Here's this.
Adventure.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna quit the game real quick.
Oh. Wait, let me check here. Yeah, I'm quitting too.
Wait, where'd you go? There's
Yeah, I
the
don't
wall.
know. I
it's
think we
wall.
might just quit. Like for now and then restart it so we can
I'm
get.
lost. What? Okay, I think I heard something, so
That was my diamond.
I think
See?
I'm gonna play something else.
It's raining
I mean,
diamonds.
Type is a good option.
Summon. Stop.
Goodness.
Summon the monster. What did it?
No,
did you
I
just
would
go-
not do that. Oh, come on. My game has 1 more gigabyte until it's done. Wow. It's gonna take a while, isn't it? Okay, how about we work up the courage to go back?
Yeah, I don't know what where it is back.
No, wait, just keep going down here and then it's gonna... I'll tell you what would be scary.
What?
If we're just stuck in a loop.
Where are you? I found another black thing. Purple. There he is. Purple. Purple.
Like, let's say you're
I'm
facing
lagging.
This. Wait, where are you?
Yeah.
Like that. So we're gonna keep going straight. So just run straight, and if you run into a wall, turn left. Okay.
Okay.
Alright, I'm running.
This is hard to run now.
I found something of interest.
Yeah, this looks
And
weird.
I'm stuck.
Purple.
I'm gonna touch it. Yeah.
Okay. 1 sec. Okay. What?
Dude,
Wait. Is this
we
just
ran
it?
into a dead end.
Green.
I'm pretty positive we ran. Wait,
My
is this-
superpower. What is that?
Wait, I found something. Look, right here. I found something. Freedom, freedom.
Bro, he found the Purple found the this is not the map. Oh, I'm free.
The map.
Oh no, I'm too
Back.
You give me that. It is
Purple.
a pretty long ways to go, so I
Purple, purple.
and stuff.
Give me that. Alright, we following you?
Found a way to get it out of the map.
Get there.
Down here. Wait, you were with me.
Yeah.
You saw me fall, right?
Okay, I need to eat dinner, so bye.